Imagine creating professional AI videos in minutes without expensive software or editing skills. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos for free in 2026 using simple tools anyone can use. All you need to do is type a prompt and AI will generate an entire video for you.
Step 1. Choose a free AI video generator.
These platforms allow you to turn simple text into full videos automatically. Simply type what you want your video to show. The AI analyzes your prompt and creates realistic scenes within seconds. You instantly get a ready-to-use AI-generated video. Next, customize your video by editing the scenes and visuals. This helps make your content more unique and engaging. Now add a voiceover to explain your video. Most AI tools provide multiple realistic voice options. You can also generate subtitles automatically to increase engagement. Once everything looks good, export the video.
Your AI video will be ready in just a few seconds. Now upload the video to YouTube or social media.
Many creators are building entire channels using AI-generated videos. This strategy allows you to create more content faster. If you want more tutorials on AI tools and making money online, subscribe to this channel, Brams. In the next video, I'll show you how to create even better AI videos using advanced prompts.